Full restoration, healing mind, body, and spirit. Raise positive energy. Inhale deeply 4 seconds. Exhale slowly 5 seconds. Keep this breathing pattern for the rest of this video. I am a high vibrational being. I am healthy and full of energy. I attract positive energy like a magnet. I am grateful for my good health. I am at peace with myself. I am the creator of my life. I love myself. My body is my temple. I am raising my vibration. I attract positivity. I am happy. I am grateful for my life. The higher I vibrate, the lighter I feel. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am worthy of everything good in my life. I am aligned with the universe. I keep my energy level high. I attract high vibe experiences. I choose to be full of joy and gratitude. I am vibrating at the highest frequency. I eat healthy to fuel my body. I have a deep sense of well-being. I am in control of my own health. I choose to be filled with good energy and love. I am constantly raising my vibration. I fill my mind with positive thoughts. I listen to what my body needs. I am a joyful giver and a happy receiver of good things. I attract positive people. I feel a complete sense of joy, love, and happiness. I spread happiness everywhere I go. My high vibration helps manifest my desires. My life is filled with miracles. Everything I need is within me now. I choose to raise my vibration every day. Take a moment to reflect on these affirmations. Let them solidify into your subconscious. You should feel refreshed, happy, lifted, and energized. Keep this feeling with you for the rest of the day. Repeat this video every day for 30 days. I will see you tomorrow. Have a vibrational day.